Hey, Wayne here, and today I have the myGEKOgear Orbit 960 4K dash cam. Let's check it out. Gonna go over some of the layouts here of the buttons. Pretty standard for the buttons. You got buttons on the left, you got buttons on the right, you got their logo at the bottom. But what I really like is on the top here, you have a reset button. No more having to go find a paper clip to reset your dash cam if it freezes up. You can just push that button in. You got your USB port, power button, your SD slot on the side here. See if I can get that to focus in. There we go. Ta-da! Okay, so let's go over some of these specs. On the box, it says it's an Ultra 4K dash cam, Sony Starvis sensor, a wide-angle 140-degree lens, 2.7 LCD screen, G sensor, supports a 512 gigabyte micro SD card, but comes with a Toshiba 16 gigabyte SD card. I would definitely probably trade this out for, or swap this out for a bigger SD card. I would go the full 512, at least 128. It also comes with a 320 milliamp hour battery, motion detection, driver fatigue, wide dynamic range, GPS logging, a parking mode, a Wi-Fi app control, and a light reminder. So that's all the stuff that it says it comes with. Let's go over some of the actual contents here. So in addition to the camera, you've got your, it's like a mount for permanent sticking to your windshield. It comes with the extra 3M sticker here in case you move it, I guess. Your standard suction cup mount for your windshield. Let's see here. The USB adapter for your car with the USB port in it. Your USB cable with a micro SD on the end for the dash cam. And of course it comes with an owner's manual. This is what it sounds like with my windows up. And now I'm going to turn the AC on. And my AC is on, but it's not running very high, so it's probably not making any difference. Okay, I'm going to turn WDR off, wide dynamic range. Okay, no more wide dynamic range for today. Okay, I'm going about 40 miles per hour. See what the audio sounds like. See if it's picking me up okay with the windows up. When I get through this signal, I'm going to put the windows down and keep talking to see what the audio sounds like. Okay, I'm putting the windows down. AC is off. Okay, the windows are down, the AC is off, and I am going about 30 miles an hour right now. And I just hit 40 miles per hour. 45. Try to hold it here. And let's see what that sounds like. Okay, so I want to go over the app really quick that comes with the dash cam, but really quick I wanted to also show you that if you accidentally, or not accidentally, if somebody hits you and the dash cam feels it, it will start an emergency recording just as it's doing right now. So hopefully you can see that yellow line going across. It's recording a file and it's going to lock it so that it never goes away in case you need it to prove that you were in the right. You can see everything being recorded right now. It's nice and clear. You can come into, let's see, you can come into the gallery and everything that it's recorded. If you wanted, you could download these onto your phone. Now that takes a long time to do. You can play them right from here, and they might be a little bit choppy, so they look better if you do download them. But if you start to download one, it takes a long time. I may have a video of that somewhere. But you can pick events. These are locked files. You can pick a photo. So I've taken some photos. Um, your loop recordings, which is what I use more than anything, and then back to the main menu where this shows you information like where you're at and all that good stuff. So that's kind of the app really quick. I don't want to waste a lot of time with that, so let's move on to the next thing. Okay, so myGEKOgear did give me the dash cam for review, but all the comments are my own. You can pick it up now at Best Buy. I don't see it on Amazon anywhere, and I'll add a link underneath the video. It's not an affiliate link, it's just a link to Best Buy. So if you want it, you can go pick it up there. I suggest you also get an SD card, a larger one, say 128 gigabytes, or a 512 gigabyte card. That I will add affiliate links below to Amazon. This camera, I think it's a good camera. It's really easy to set up, the easiest I've ever set up. The on-screen display that comes up next to the side buttons really helps in setting it up, so, or understanding how to use it. So it's a really easy camera to use. I recommend getting it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.